Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can buy the TubeBuddy Pro subscription and why should you even consider going with the Pro version if you are already using the free version. So if you don't know what is TubeBuddy, basically it's a tool that is going to assist you in better SEO score your YouTube videos. Basically it's going to help you add more relevant keywords to your videos and help it get discovered more. It does not guarantee that your video is going to get viral or something like that, but it's going to assist you in adding relevant keywords and to target the relevant audience for your videos. So I have been using TubeBuddy for the past 4 years with the free version, and the only thing with that, it has limited features like the keyword suggestion or the keyword explorer will give you less keywords and so on. And now I have upgraded to the Pro version, and I gotta say that with the Pro version you have a lot of more keyword suggestion and a lot more flexibility. So I have been using it for the last month now with the Pro version, and it is working pretty good for me, and that's why I am showing you how you can buy the Pro version. First of all, on your browser you're going to search for TubeBuddy pricing and you're going to open the pricing page. Here you can see that currently there is a Black Friday deal and you can save up to 40% on your Pro or Legend subscription. The code is year40. If I scroll down, then you have Pro subscription and Legend subscription. You can see the differences. I will put the link in the video description. So you can go with the 1 year plan or the 1 month plan. With the 1 year plan you can get 20% discount. So I'm going to select the 1 year plan and I'm going to go with the Pro subscription. You need to select your channel. So in my case it's Wasay Tech Tips. If it is not showing your channel, you can simply click on the add channel button, and here you can see Pro T2 license. The channel name is Wasay Tech Tips. In my case, if I click on my channel name, it's going to open YouTube and show me the actual channel. So I'm double sure that I'm buying it for the correct YouTube channel. After that, the billing cycle is yearly and it's 20% off. But since it's Black Friday, I can use the code year40 and we have a total of 40% off. So the original price was $47.90 and the new price is $28.74 for 1 year. After that, you're going to add your credit card details like your name, email, country, card number and so on. Once you have entered all the details, you're going to click on the submit button. If you want to give any feedback, you can do so. Your order is complete. Go to home. And now you can see it's showing my channel name, which is Wasay Tech Tips, and it has a Pro license. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.